This is Lily coming to you again this beautiful morning. I would also like to say how wonderful it is that we also meet different people as we're walking, and we're meeting such lovely people along the way, and I think it's just so nice, and people around here are just so friendly. I mean, take the time out to say hello to someone. That we're all the same. I believe that we're all the same. I don't see colour or nationality or our status. I just see beautiful people, and I'm just saying that I love being who I am. I love me. I love Lily, and it's so great to just come out here and take advantage of this beautiful place again, meeting different people. And there's a beautiful dog just around here. I can see Jess there, and Jeff is the owner. They're lovely. He's from Scotland, and our puppy, they just enjoy each other's company. So we're so thankful and grateful. We're so thankful and grateful. Here, stay right there. Come here. You're going to get a smack. I'm going to smack you now. Come here. Come here. No. Come here. Stop. Get back. Over there, quick. Now that's puppy being naughty. Use my different tone with her. She's just barking at a dog barks and she barks, and as soon as she sees something that moves, even like a plastic bag blowing across the field or something, she's off. She thinks it's a dog. Yeah. So this is Lily again coming to you. Take the time and just walk outside your door again and just greet someone and say hi, how's your day going? Because you know what, you're making their day by just saying hello to them. This is Lily coming to you. Cheers. Have a great day.